how to generate videos with Perplexity AI. Let's get started. So the first and foremost thing that you want to do is log in to your account and then upgrade or choose a plan that you want to pay for. Like for example, the Pro plan. It costs $20, and although there's a free plan that you can choose, you'll need to have some Pro plan in order to generate the videos. Now what you need to do next is open Twitter. So in your account, just log into your Twitter account and then go type or post a post or feed. Then create a post or reply or a tag and then type at ask perplexity. So simply just type this on your post or a tag or reply. Then add a text prompt. Like for example, I want to create a video for my video and something like that. And then just add a text prompt and wait for the bot to reply with an AI generated video. And it's that simple. You just have to ask it to add some videos for you using Twitter, or also known as X now. And it's that very simple. Just ask it directly and you'll be able to get a generated video or an AI generated video by Perplexity AI. And that's how you can basically get or generate videos with Perplexity AI.